Hey everybody, it's Tayson, Rockefeller Teton Valley Realty. I'm here at 8512 Pronghorn Trail. This is one of the summit townhouses here in Victor, Idaho. Now I've done some other videos of these, of each of the 4 floor plans. Those are available on Teton Valley Realty's website under the Community Information tab and the Summit Community if you want to check out kind of generic video and an overview of the project. This is a specific unit here on the east end of the development, just taking a couple of these randomly to provide to customers. This is unit number 1. This is a 2-bedroom. The orientation of these can change, but the location within the building does not. And what I mean by that is this particular unit number 1 is always going to be an end unit. It's always going to be obviously a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath. That just might be flipped or flopped throughout the project here. All of these units, as you'll see in the other videos, or if you've learned about these, are ready for air conditioning. They do have an electric forced air heating system. These are the meters for each of the buildings, including a meter for each of the units, rather, including a meter for the HOA. So there's a meter for each of the buildings that's paid by the HOA for common items. This unit is again oriented to the east. There is another project here, potentially some future walkways that will get you into downtown Victor. Obviously you're a little further away from the parking lot, but with that being said, there is a potential that you'll have some sort of future development here between us and the adjacent development, which is actually Trail Creek Springs. You can see in the distance there. One-car garage. These are heated. The garages are pretty well finished, insulated, painted, and even textured, which is nice. This particular unit here on Pronghorn is one of the brown interiors, which you'll see. A little bit of a coat closet area as you get into the entry. The orientation here is the same as the other unit number 1 floor plans or layouts. Half bathroom under the stairs here. A little bit of a hallway coming in. The brown units have a little bit different interior finishes, some bronze, brown tones, granite countertops. Again, this is probably, I believe, your biggest living room floor plan, giving you the most space. The western sun, your afternoon sunsets, will give you enough light as the sun begins to set, and right before it gets real intense with this particular unit, it should be able to block some of that sun with the adjacent building, which is nice. One of the other things with the unit number 1 is a little more privacy with respect to the fire riser closet. Now that's an HOA maintained closet. The purpose is to house the fire suppression system electronics. In addition to that, some of the communications come into that closet. Here in the brown units, you do have the black steel as opposed to the silver. The other thing I like about this model, or this color scheme rather, is this is actually alder, a little bit harder wood as opposed to the pine in the gray units. The pine takes the gray colors a little easier, which is why they use that product, although the pine wood is a little softer. Similar to the other units, you've got a washer dryer closet here upstairs. Guest bathroom at the end of the hall. And in this particular model, your mechanical closet, which does have your water heater and forced air heating system, gives you quite a bit of room for bathroom storage, additional linens, as well as your laundry hampers and so forth. Your guest bedroom is actually at the top of the stairs, so this is your master. These do have the vaulted ceilings upstairs like all the units here in the Summit. These master bedrooms are big enough for king-size beds with nightstands. Dual vanity like you've seen in some of the other units. Shower glass, a little bit different tile than you see in the other color scheme. A little warmer. Master closet. And I'll get you in the guest bedroom here at the end of the hall. Also let you take a look at some of the views. Being on the eastern end, this particular unit is going to have some great views. Again, some potential for things across the street. That can also happen on the other side of the development, obviously. Nice big windows, lots of light. Again, Tayson Rockefeller. I'm here on Pronghorn Trl in Victor, Idaho. Unit number 1, brown interior, the Summit Townhouses, 208-709-1333. TetonValleyRealty.com has a Summit page with additional information, and you can email me at tayson@TetonValleyRealty.com. Thanks.